7. Okay, guys, that we have completed our final delivery for the day, as it's too much snow and on the roads. So what we do is I'll be doing live for next 15 to 20 minutes, and then I'll log off the live. I'll close off the live afterwards, and then I'll do my best to do live tomorrow morning around 8 a.m. So let's hope you guys can join the live and support me tomorrow as well. So what do you guys say? And where are you guys watching the live from? And did you guys had snow in this snowstorm, or you guys doesn't have any snow? Are you guys living in any area that doesn't snow at all? So could you guys leave a comment? Or do you guys have more snow? Just leave a comment, guys. And please do subscribe to the channel